Alrighty then, the time is, wait a minute. First is to adjust the timer. 30 minutes. Start. Well, messed that up. Okay, now the time is 8:51, and they have risen, and I'm finna put them into the oven now. Yes. So that's what they look like, and I'll bring you back in 40 minutes. I'll check on it at 30, but I got the timer set for 40, which means if it's not done in 40, then there'll be 5-minute increments after that. Man, it's hot in there. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned. There's been People at 7 on Twitter, YouTube, People at elsewhere on the internet. My blogs located purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, could be located people.etsy.com. And my t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.tmail.com. Bye now.